Call recording is a tool that can save you in court. But if misused, it can put you in legal trouble. Can you record someone's call without informing them? Is it legal or a crime? And can such recordings be used as evidence in court? If you don't know the correct answers to these questions, you may unknowingly break the law. In this video, I will explain the complete law relating to call recording and the right to privacy in simple language, so watch till the end. Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Legal Information Law Insights. I am Advocate Mukund Mahajan. I am pleased to share that our channel has crossed 1 lakh subscribers and received the YouTube Silver Creator Award. You may also support the channel by becoming a member with a contribution of 59 rupees or 119 rupees via the GPay QR code shown on your screen. Thank you for your continued trust and support. Now, let us move to today's topic. Part 1. Is call recording legal? In India, there is an important principle regarding call recording. If you are a part of a conversation, you can record that conversation even without informing the other person. This means recording by a participant is not per se illegal, provided it does not violate any specific law or court order. This is not an absolute right. Its legality depends on the facts and circumstances of each case. However, if a third person records a call without permission, it may amount to illegal interception, which can be punishable under Indian Telegraph Act, 1885. Part 2. Right to privacy. The right to privacy is a fundamental right in India, recognized by the Supreme Court in Justice K.S. Puttaswamy v. Union of India. In this landmark judgment, the court held, every person has the right to control their personal information and private conversations. This right is protected under Article 21. Therefore, call recording is not illegal in every situation. But if it violates a person's reasonable expectation of privacy, it may become unlawful. Part 3. When does call recording become illegal? 1. Sharing without permission. Sending recordings on WhatsApp, social media, or to third parties. This is not automatically illegal in every case, but if it violates privacy, defamation, or data protection laws, it may become unlawful. 2. Blackmail or coercion. Using recordings to threaten or blackmail someone. This may amount to a criminal offense under Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, 2023. 3. Defamation. Making the recording public to harm someone's reputation. This may give rise to both civil and criminal defamation. Part 4. When is call recording legal and justified? 1. As evidence. Courts accept electronic evidence, subject to admissibility rules. You may record calls for self-protection in situations like financial transactions, fraud, threats or blackmail. This can be justified based on legitimate interest and self-protection. 2. Family disputes. For example, case Vibhor Garg vs. Neha. In such cases, courts apply a balancing test between privacy and justice. There is no blanket permission, each case depends on its own facts. Part 5. How to present call recording in court. Having a recording alone is not enough. It must be presented properly. Legal requirement. Section 65B of Indian Evidence Act, 1872 applies. A 65B certificate is required. As clarified in Arjun Panditrao Khotkar vs. Kailash Kushanrao Gorantyal, a 65B certificate is generally mandatory for electronic evidence. Under Section 63 of the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, 2023, earlier known as Section 65B of the Indian Evidence Act, governs the admissibility of electronic evidence such as call recordings. Under the old law, the certificate for electronic evidence was required under Section 65B, 4 of the Indian Evidence Act, 1872. Under the new law, the same requirement continues under Section 63, 4 of the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, 2023. In exceptional cases, courts may grant relief, but the general rule requires the certificate. Part 6. Relevant laws. Information Technology Act, 2000. Deals with digital data and privacy. Indian Telegraph Act, 1885. Governs phone tapping and interception. Part 7. Important precautions. Record calls only when necessary. Keep recordings secure. Share only with the court or your lawyer. Do not upload on social media. Do not use for threats or coercion. Always act in good faith and avoid malicious intent. Conclusion. Call recording is not per se illegal, but misuse of it can lead to legal consequences. If you are a participant, recording is generally allowed. But compliance with privacy rights and applicable laws is essential. Always remember, recording is not wrong, but misuse is, and every case depends on its facts. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it informative, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more legal insights. I will meet you in the next video soon. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.